Hello, how are you doing? Alright, we want to talk about time. Okay, and for us to understand time in a way, we need to understand some terms. Okay, some terminologies we use. Okay, you have to understand this before we talk about the time. Okay, time is called oge in Owerri. Oge. R or clock is elekere. Elekere, you can use it for hour or for clock. When is mgbe. Okay, what time is it? Nene kuga or elehe kuga. Nene kuga or elehe kuga. Okara means half. Okay, half means okara. Okay, then we have minutes is nkeji. Minutes is nkeji. Morning is ụtụtụ. Morning is ụtụtụ. Afternoon is obulo. Okay, morning ụtụtụ, afternoon obulo, evening anyasụ. Okay, seconds we call it tikon. Tikon. All right, let's consider more terms. I hope you're following. So when I say hey, I mean this is morning. If I say obulo, I'm referring to afternoon. And if I say anyaso, I'm referring to evening. Okay? So, early means noge. If I say ibera noge, it means you came early. Okay? We also have day. Day means ubochi. Like ubochi taa, today. Okay, today. Ubochi taa. Ubochi taa. Then we have week. Week is izu. Izu. And we have month. Month is onwa. Onwa. Then we have year. Year is afọ. Afọ or ahua. This is very typical of a word. Ahua. Year, afọ or ahua. Last year. Last year. Afọ garaga. Garaga. Next year. Next year. Afọ bia. It means it is coming. Next year. Afọ bia. Okay. Then now is ubu. Ubu now. Go and do it now. May ubu. Ubu now. Okay. Sunrise. Sunrise is ọwụwa anyanwụ. Ọwụwa anyanwụ. Anyanwụ. Anyanwụ on its own means sun. Okay. This one on its own, anyanwụ means sun. So if we say ọwụwa anyanwụ is sunrise, then sunset is ọdịda. Ọdịda anyanwụ. Ọdịda anyanwụ. I hope you're following. Okay, so we're going to quickly talk about, okay, before we talk about the time properly, I've talked about morning odo, afternoon obulo, night anyasu, midnight imudishi. Let me mention that. Midnight. These are terms that are related to time. Okay, midnight. Ime udishi. Okay, so tomorrow morning. Tomorrow on its own is echi. Okay, echi. And if I say tomorrow morning, I mean okpokpo. You see, I didn't say ototo, I said okpokpo. Okpokpo. Echi. That is how we say it in a word. Okpokpo. Okpokpo. Echi. Alright, so now let's talk about time properly. We've learned all the terms. That are related to time. So we want to talk about the time properly. Okay. For example, if I have my clock, 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. When the long hand is pointing to 12 and the short hand is pointing to 4. This is 4 o'clock, right? We say elekere ano. Elekere ano. Okay? This is elekere ano. Okay. When the long hand is pointing to 12 and the short hand is pointing to 10, for example, this is elekere iri. Remember when we did our numbers, we talked about the names for each of these numbers. Elekere iri. Now, when the long hand is pointing to 6 and maybe the short hand is pointing to 2, this is 2:30, right? We say ojila okara. Ojila okara. Okara also means half in a way. Ojila okara. Gafe elekere abuo. That's 2:30. Ojila okara. Okara, I said it's half. Ojila okara. Gafe elekere abuo. Okay. Alright, let's consider more examples. If I ask you, Nene kuga. Nene kuga means what is the time or what says the time. You say, Ojila okara gafe elekere abuo. So let's look at more examples. If we have 5 minutes past 8. 5 minutes past 8, for example. If I ask you what says the time, or Nene kuga in Owerri, you will say Ojila nkeji ise. Remember I told you nkeji means minutes. Ojila nkeji ise. Ise means 5. Ojila nkeji ise. Gafe. Gafe means past. Gafe elekere asatọ. Asatọ means 8. So ojila nkeji ise. Nkeji means 5 minutes. So ojila nkeji ise gafe past elekere asatọ, past 8. Okay. So if I have, let's say 10 minutes to 3. So this will be Oji. Please take note of all these terms. Oji, nkeji, iri, that's 10 minutes. Nkeji, iri, je, iko, elekere atọ. That's 10 minutes to 3. Oji nkeji iri. Nkeji iri means 10. J means 2. Elekere atọ to 3. Do you understand? Beautiful. Alright, let's talk about one more example. One more example about 2. Let's say 20 minutes. Let's say 20 minutes to 7. So this will be OG. Remember, OG, it is, how we interpret it in Igbo is like it is using so and so number of minutes to. But when you say Ojila, it means it's already past. We're talking in the past tense now. So OG, this is 21, 5, 10, 15, 20. So OG, nkeji iri abụọ. Remember, we did numbers. Okay, so OG nkeji iri abụọ. Iri abụọ means 20. J elekere asaa. Elekere asaa. Do you understand? Good. Alright, so this is how we tell the time in Owerri. Okay, this is how we tell the time in Owerri. Oji nkeji iri abụọ. J elekere asaa. Alright, take care.